In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM to transcribe your audio files into text. Let's get started. First, I'll click the Create New button on the dashboard to set up a fresh notebook for this project. As the workspace loads, I'll prepare to import my recording. Once the menu appears, I'll click on the Upload Files button. From my documents, I'll select the file named Podcast and then click Open. You can see the file appearing in the left sidebar as it begins to upload and process. During this time, the AI is analyzing the audio to extract the spoken words. Once it's finished, the notebook automatically generates a summary and updates the project title for me. To view the full transcript, I'll click on the source file in the sidebar. This opens the source guide, where I can scroll through the entire written version of the audio. It's an incredibly fast and accurate way to turn your recordings into organized, searchable notes. This makes it much easier to manage your research without having to listen to the whole file again. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.